This assessment asks us to predict the product of this Grignard reaction. The Grignard is a strong nucleophile. It will react directly with the carbonyl to break the carbonyl to form an O-, and after acidic quench will form an alcohol. So our product for this reaction will have our carbon backbone. We already have one stereocenter in the molecule, and that stereocenter is not being reacted with the Grignard reagent. The Grignard reagent will add to the carbon that used to be the carbonyl, and will form an alcohol at this carbon. We need to be very careful with the stereochemistry of this alcohol. We will form one version with one stereochemical outcome, and we can also form the opposite. We can get a mixture of stereoisomers at this position. But it would be inappropriate to say that this is plus minus, that this is a racemic mixture of enantiomers. And the reason is we already have one stereocenter in the molecule, and that stereocenter does not change from the starting material to the product. The other product that we would form in this reaction would look like this. It has the opposite stereochemistry of the alcohol we just formed, but the stereocenter that was in the starting material is still the same. The relationship between these two products is not enantiomers. The relationship between these products is diastereomers. So we get a mixture of stereoisomers for this product, just like we do when Grignards react with other carbonyls. However, because we have an existing stereocenter in this starting material, we form a mixture of diastereomers as our product.